Well, it is Friday and I am in the office. I was not in court today. It's one of the one day this week that I was not in court, but nevertheless, a very busy week for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Just had some clients to see today and catching up on some other matters that we had to take care of this week. With that said, our weekly update today went out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic blog articles that featured some very interesting topics on the Hunter Biden case, the updates at the shore. We give a lot of weekly updates with regards to what's happening at the shore. Wildwood, New Jersey had passed a new ordinance that we wanted to make you all aware of. In addition, we give our weekly updates regarding things that happened during the week. I put an article regarding what's going on with President Trump's case and the appellate rights that he had. Again, these blog articles aren't meant to be political, just simply laying out a case from a legal standpoint, explaining what a person's left and right limits are. With regards to other topics, we will do that throughout the year. We do it a lot with sports athletes because, again, a criminal case can happen to anyone, even if you're a former president. And so we point that out. But nevertheless, our purpose here isn't to embarrass anyone. It's simply to lay out how we see it from a legal standpoint with regards to possible offenses and appellate rights. It's a hallmark of our office that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result in their case. With regard to it being Friday, it's a summer Friday, probably one of the reasons why I don't have court. A lot of judges don't schedule things on Fridays. Perhaps they're headed out early. If you are headed out to the New Jersey shore, if you are coming into our state, understand, as I always indicate, that your Pennsylvania gun or any out-of-state gun doesn't belong in New Jersey. Remember, New Jersey does not have reciprocity with any state, including Pennsylvania and New York. In addition, New Jersey has relaxed the permit to carry requirements in the state ever since the case that came down from the Supreme Court. With regards to driving throughout New Jersey, if you are taking your weapon in New Jersey, you can take it to your shore house and keep it there within the shore house. But the way you transport a gun through New Jersey is in a locked gun box and keep the ammunition separate. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test, the ALCO test in New Jersey, as we call it. It will never help your criminal case. Remember that a state like New Jersey or Pennsylvania can and will suspend your driver's license simply for the refusal. That becomes a civil issue, not a criminal issue, regardless of what happens in your criminal case. Now, with regards to a criminal case, remember, don't argue with the officer. You aren't obligated to give the officer any information but your license, registration, and proof of insurance. You're not obligated to tell the officer where you're going, where you've been, or what you've consumed. These are very, very important things that you need to keep in mind if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI. Again, don't argue with the officer. Don't put your hands on the officer. It's not going to help your case. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. If the police officer wants to search the car, don't get in his or her way, but make it clear you're not giving consent. Remember, warrantless searches are permissible in the Garden State. They are not legal in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, meaning police need a warrant to search your car in Pennsylvania unless there's an exception to the warrant rule, like plain view. I've written a lot of articles on that topic. Our blog articles, we've written at this point over 1,000. I have over 600 videos in addition to our strategy books. Again, we believe that content is important. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great weekend. It's a Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there, including my own and my brothers and my brother-in-laws. Happy Father's Day. I wish myself a happy Father's Day. I plan on spending some time with my kids. But again, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.